Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Amanda, and for today's video it's going to be an unboxing of a really cute bag, tote, purse company called Teddy Blake. I'm really excited about this because, for one, the bags are like really cute and really amazing. They seem really great, really high quality. I have looked up some reviews and I'm just really excited to open it. So I actually got this package on my 25th birthday. As you can see behind me, I have some balloons up still. Basically, I couldn't wait. So it's been after work. I've worked the entire day and I'm ready to open this box. It's humongous and it's like super heavy, but this is the box. So they had reached out to me and they wanted me to do an unboxing of their bag, and I'm really excited. Let's just go ahead and open it. I'm not sure if there's like a certain rhyme or rhythm to how I should open it, but I'm gonna just... Okay, this seems like really fancy. Like, how freaking cute. Okay, this feels like too nice to even open. I've never got such a nice package before, so this is like really cool. Okay, this was seriously like, this is gorgeous. I don't even know, I'm gonna make sure you guys are in frame. Okay, so this is the box. It says designer handbags, made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Excited, this box is like really nice. Okay. Okay, now that you guys saw the box, I might like put it down because it's like super heavy. The bag was a cute little booklet. On the back it says, "Thank you for shopping with Teddy Blake. We are delighted to have you as a customer. We hope that your new bag will be an extension of your style and flatter your every fashion choice." And then it's a little coupon on the back. Store credit, $50 off. Oh, that's cool. And in here it's like a little like catalog book. So it shows the bags and the prices. Their stuff is real genuine leather, so this is kind of a little bit more of a pricier handbag, but they're always doing really good sales. Like in this book, everything is half off right now. It's really nice. It's all designer. It's just really cute. So I actually ended up getting, I don't know if it's gonna be in here or not. I don't think it's in here. Alright, so I'm sure you guys can even see this. This is my purse. I love that it has like a dust bag around it for when I'm not using it. I can keep the dust off of it, which is really a really nice touch. Oops. Oh, it smells like leather. Okay. This is seriously really soft too, which is like super, super nice. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is seriously so cute. How cute. I love the detail of this purse. So I think the one that I got is called the Adele. I think it'll say on the tag right here. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the Alice bag. It feels really nice quality. The leather is really, really nice. And I love that it has like that accent down there of like the gold name of the bag. Okay, so in here, oh my gosh, it comes with a cute little like, I don't know what this is called. I'm not fancy enough. I'm not fancy enough to know, but this is so nice. I like a little pouch thing, a little pouchette thing. Super nice. And then inside it has the name again, and then there, this is really fancy. I got the color dark gray. I don't normally do like handbags and stuff, so I'm not really sure how to like show you guys, but this is inside of the bag. How cute. I love that the straps are like longer too, so I can easily like put it over my shoulder without it being too like high up. This is so nice. Okay, I'm just super impressed. I love this. Huh. I feel like all of my like important things that I need will fit in here. It also has like a little like bottom liner thing at the bottom of the purse. This is my like first ever tote bag. I've never actually had like a tote bag where it's just like a big open bag. So yeah, I really do like this though. I just want to share this with you guys. Really great quality. I feel like this color in particular will go with every single outfit. The brown colors I've really liked a lot, but this is so pretty. So cute. The purse is, this is the Alice small. So this is how big the bag is with my body. Like for it being smaller, it's still a really good size bag. I think it's super nice. Though I don't own a tote bag, so this might just be like a normal thing, but it keeps slipping off my shoulder. The only thing not excited about, but maybe with it like weighed down, it might stay on my shoulder a little bit easier. Again, like I said, I've never had a tote bag, so I don't know if this is normal or not. But I feel like I want to get like a divider. You know, like how Amazon has those like divider things? I think that the divider would be super, super handy in this because it would, there's a lot of space in here. So to fill the space would be kind of nice. And I love this too because I feel like if I didn't want to have the big old bag, I could easily just like take this with me, and it has like a little handle right here. And then it looks like this actually can come off. I don't know if I want to take it off, but it can come off so it won't be attached to this. It won't be attached to the bag anymore, which is really nice. You just wanted to like run to the store and do some errands or something and not take the huge tote with you. So I thought that was really cool too. I want to give you guys a little bit of a like closer up. I don't know if I was able to like fully get all the details. Straps, a little pouch for the important things. You can tell like how much they care because this bag is perfection. Like every like stitch, every like everything, you can tell that this company really cares a lot about their like products, the quality, all that, which I am super behind, like extremely behind that. Like back that up 120%. So I really love this. And that concludes my unboxing video of the Teddy Blake bag. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be linking this bag along with their website down below in the description box. And if I think that they're doing really good sales right now. I don't know what their sales are, but I had looked on their website, I think yesterday, and they were doing really good sales. So I will link them below if you want this bag as well. I attest that it is quite amazing, and if you are wanting to splurge, because even with the discount it's still kind of pricey, like makes me a little nervous to spend that much, but if you are in the mood to splurge, or if you got a big paycheck, or you can purchase this below with the link. But again, thanks for watching guys, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. It would mean the absolute world for me if you joined the fam, the YouTube fam. I'm also on Instagram. I normally do like fashion videos and like all things fashion and beauty and stuff. So if you guys are into that, please subscribe, follow me on Instagram. My name is just Amanda Claypool, and I'll link that down below as well. I post videos and everything on Mondays. And at this point, I'm just rambling. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye guys.